Hey guys, David's here. Today I'll be unboxing and have a look at an ultrabook from Asus. It's the Zenbook UX305CA. Here's the ultrabook. It looks very premium. Let me put that aside for a minute. We have a small power supply with a long cable. It's so small, it's almost like a phone charger. We also have here USB to Ethernet adapter in case you need a wired connection. Also a leather-like sleeve. Looks very good. Finally, we have a warranty card, wipe to clean the screen, and a short user's guide. Now let's take off the covering plastic. I must say the build quality is so high here. It feels so good to the touch, sturdy and well constructed. The all aluminum body, low weight and thinness. I think it's beautiful, especially in this ceramic white color. Let's go over the specs of my unit, and I'll also write on the screen the other options you can have for this model. For CPU we have Intel Core M3 6Y30, it's the latest Skylake Core M processor. GPU Intel HD515, RAM 8GB DDR3, SSD 256GB, screen is 13.3 inches, Full HD resolution, operating system is Windows 10, color ceramic white, and two other options. For connections we have AC Wi-Fi, 3 USB 3.0 ports, micro HDMI and SD card reader. Let me go over the ports. On the right side we have DC in, USB 3.0, micro HDMI, headphone jack, and battery and power LEDs. Nothing on the back. Left side we have two USB 3.0 ports and SD card reader. On the bottom we have 4 rubber feet and 2 speaker grids. Now we open it up. It says audio by Icefire Technology and some stickers. I'll power it on and do the initial Windows setup off camera. I've done the initial setup. Now let me go over the brightness levels. I want to check the computer properties and then the device manager. As you can see, the SSD is by Micron. And for wireless we have Intel adapter. Now let's test the 4K video in Microsoft Edge. You can also listen to the speakers this way. It's working flawlessly. Touchpad is wide enough and the gestures are working. Pinch to zoom. 3 fingers to show the desktop and 3 fingers to show the open programs. Double tap to activate. Scrolling with 2 fingers. It's working good. I want to show you some of the pre-installed programs. As you can see, lots of Asus programs, but also some sponsored programs like Dropbox, Evernote, McAfee Antivirus, Microsoft Office and TeamViewer. Obviously you can uninstall any of them. So my first impressions are that it is pretty much an excellent value for money. For about $700 you get an ultrabook with premium looks and design, low weight, low thickness, very quiet, keyboard is quiet and the laptop itself is quiet because there are no moving parts inside, no fan and no hard disk. Most of the time it stays cool, especially in regular use. The battery is also great, you can get easily 7+ hours. There aren't many cons in my opinion. I can say that the CPU isn't the greatest out there, but it's acceptable for the price. The keyboard is not backlit and that's a bit of a disadvantage for me. I will make a video in the upcoming days with the gaming tests. I will check League of Legends, Hearthstone, CSGO and some more. Link will be in the description. If you like the video, please consider subscribe. Thanks for watching, bye bye.